Hi everyone, welcome to our Servo Model Mart. Let's see what we've got in store today. Hi everyone, Flight of the Phoenix continues. 2 more items today, so let's open them, see what we've got today. Okay, I'm expecting Servo Extension Leads and the ESC speed controller for the Phoenix today. So all being well, that's what we have here. We do the white one first. All of this again from AliExpress, all of it within the 10-day shipment, so they are getting very good. Oh, nicely packaged. There we go, nice and simple that one. Male to female. Nice ones, nice black, red and white. I do like those. Very clear which is your signal. So we've got here is 10 30cm male to female servo extensions and 10 15cm male to female servo extensions. These all come from a Ready to Sky official store on AliExpress. The 15cm cables for the 10 was £1.68 including the tax. The 30cm cables for the 10 were £2.45 including the tax. So for all 20, including shipping at £2.24, all 20 came in at £6.81. And I've got to say, to have a nice few cables in stock's really useful. And for £6.81 I think that's pretty good. Okay, so that's those. Need plenty of these for all the servo extensions in the wing and down the fuselage. From my research, 15 and 30 are the right sizes for the Phoenix. I'll also need some for the FPV camera I'm going to fit. I'll have a twin servo FPV pan and tilt camera on it, so they'll be useful for that. Second one I'm hoping is the ESC. And indeed it is. So here we have a Hobbywing. It's a Skywalker 50 amp with a 5 amp back on that. The reason I've gone for this rather than the 40 amp is to get the 5 amps. There's 6 9-gram metal gear servos in the Phoenix, plus my pan and tilt, plus the receiver, and I'm going to use an X8R plus voltage and vario telemetry. So I felt that with all of that lot to power a 5 amp BEC would do nicely. So hopefully that's going to power everything. I may add an independent battery for the FPV camera and receiver rather than take it off the main battery, and make that more of a package that just plugs in. But we'll see on that. So let's open it up, take a look. Even got 2 bits of shrink wrap. Doesn't have a connector on, that's optional, so there we go. Hobbywing Skywalker 50 amp. And you've got the receiver again, white, red and black on the servo connector there. It's already got connectors for the ESC for the motor on that end, and I'll put an XT60 on this end for the battery. Looks okay, looks genuine. Some of these I've seen that are fake ones, the shrink wrap. only comes near to the bottom of all the capacitors on the end there. It looks pretty genuine, certainly the label looks good. Hopefully it's a genuine unit. And we'll see if these fit the motor, because that's useful to know. Okay, back with the motor for the Phonxix. And yeah, perfect fit into the ESC. That makes life a whole lot easier. All I've got to do is put an XT60 onto the receiver. It should be programmable. I believe these only program off the transmitter, so we can set the brake, the battery type between LiPo and nickel metal hydride, low voltage protection, mode, either cut off or soft cut off. Low voltage protection, so we can set for low, medium, high, which is the voltage. Startup mode, normal, soft and super soft. Low, medium and high timing. And that looks like it. The last option is to reset everything to default. Okay, that's fine. Okay, the ESC is from AliExpress. It's from RC Hobbywing Store. Link at the bottom. It came in at £15.10, including tax and shipping. Shipping was free. So £15.10, including the tax. So yeah, happy enough with that. Really good deals on Ali at the moment. Do nicely. So I'm just about got enough parts to start the build now. The only outstanding parts are my telemetry, I believe. So that comes later, but yeah, be able to start the build. I'll try and do some of that on my channel as well. Hope that's been useful. Links to everything at the bottom as always. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.